Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Bless Network Airdrop. We will teach you how to join Bless Airdrop, how to run Bless Node, and how to complete achievements in order to boost your earnings. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. For this airdrop we need to use Mises browser because it allows us to use extensions on mobile phone. And if you want to join Bless Network, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and paste it into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, and the first step we need to do is to install the extension node. So click on the three lines on the top right corner. They will show you this page. So click on the Get Extension Node button. Then they will redirect you to Google Web Store to install Bless extension. So click on the blue button on the top right corner, which is Add to Chrome. They will show you this message, so click on OK. And then wait until it's completely installed. Now, click on the extension icon on top of the screen. And as you see, we have successfully installed the Bless extension. Now click on this extension. They will show you this page, so click on Login. And you will land on this page. And to make the process a little bit easier, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Desktop Site. And from here, you can log in with any one of your GitHub accounts or Google accounts, or you can just type in your email address. And when you are done, verify you are human and click on the Login with Email button. Next, they will send you a verification code to your email address. So make sure to type in that code here. You have about 60 seconds. And when you are done, they will redirect you to another page. Sometimes they will show you this error message. So you can solve this problem by refresh the page or turn on the VPN. Let me show you how to turn on VPN. Now refresh the page. Then you will land on the dashboard. And from here, the only thing that we need to do is to make sure the node is active. So just zoom in a little bit and see. Now the next step is to complete the achievements to boost our earnings. And to do that, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link. Then go to the home page of Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on the achievements page. And if we scroll down a little bit, you will see there are some tasks that we need to complete in order to boost our earnings. Let's start with the first one. You need to type in a referral code here, and I will leave the referral code down below in the description box, so you can copy and paste it here, or you can type it manually. It should be like this. And when you finish, click on submit. They give me 10% boost to my earnings. Let me show you. Now let's complete the second task, which is connect X or Twitter account. So click on connect. They will redirect you to X platform. Make sure to log in with one of your X accounts, and after login they will show you this message. So click on authorize app. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Now let's complete the third task, connect Discord. So click on connect, and again make sure to log in into your Discord account, and then they will show you this message. So click on authorize. You will be directed back to the dashboard, and as you can see, I've completed all these tasks and they give me 20% boost to my earnings. And the last task is a quiz. This quiz contains 14 questions. The first 10 questions is about Bless Network Airdrop, and I will show you the answers for those questions in just a few seconds. And the last 4 questions is about your Web3 experience. For those 4 questions, you can answer whatever you want because it doesn't matter. And to save your time, I recommend you to pause the video here and take a screenshot for these answers. And now let me show you how to take this quiz and answer all these questions quickly. You can skip this part of the video, or you can keep watching if you want. And now they will ask you about your Web3 experience. Again, in the next 4 questions, you can answer whatever you want. And when you finish, you should verify you are a human by solving this CAPTCHA. Then click on submit. Congratulations, you passed the quiz. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Bless Network Airdrop. All what you need to do is just install the extension and run the node as I showed you before, and then complete the achievements to boost your earnings. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck.